Hi, in this Xone tip we'll show you how to use the 23C soundcard default settings to incorporate DAW FX plugins into your mix. For this example we're using a Mac running Ableton Live to host our effects. First, connect a stereo mini jack to RCA cable from the headphone port on the Mac to the FX loop RTN sockets on the 23C. Create an aggregate device in the Mac's audio MIDI setup dialog, combining the Xone 23C and built-in output of the Mac. Now run Ableton Live and open the Preferences dialog. Select the aggregate device as Live's audio interface for audio input and audio output. Next, configure the stereo inputs and outputs. Note, inputs 1, 2 source the 23C record out bus. So if you also want to set up a track to capture your mix, enable this input. Inputs 3, 4 source the 23C FX send bus. Turn the input on to route audio from the 23C mix channels to your effects plugin input. There are many ways to implement effects in Live. For this example, I'm using traditional send return configuration, with an audio track as the effects send channel and a live return sending the output from my effects plugin back to the mixer. On the audio track, set audio from to EXT in 3/4. Monitor to in and audio to sends only. On the return track, set audio 2 to 1/2. This is the Mac headphone output. Now, to send audio from your 23C channels to your effects plugin, turn on the corresponding filter button. Note, when a filter's on, the VCF envelope is also live in the signal path. So if you don't want the channel audio to be affected by the filter, set the VCF controls flat, either with LPF on, freq at max, res centered, or HPF on, freq at min and res center. Finally, to return the output from your effects plugin to the main mix on the 23C, simply press the EXT on button. Remember, use the local live audio track, return track and VST plugin controls to balance the levels for both the effects send and the effects return. And to avoid any muddying of the signal or phase issues between source audio and effects return, ensure your plugin has its dry wet control set 100% wet, so only the output from the effects unit returns to the 23C mix. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you soon.